Hi everybody, today we are back in another video. Today we are doing another video about my fire alarm. So yeah, I got the key for it, of course, like always when I have my fire alarm. So today we are just going to be pulling it a couple times and resetting it. Let me show you the inside. I've been having trouble opening this. Like the top doesn't open very well. So here's the inside. So yeah, I got the key like I showed you in the beginning. So yeah, you can pull it and reset it a couple times. So 3, 2, 1. Yeah, a lot of kids well, I'm 8, so a lot of kids younger than me, and they have one of these not wired up to a horn strobe and their electric box. They just make like a fire alarm noise, like of course like a fire alarm noise. I really want a Simplex True, I'm sorry, I can't speak today. A Simplex True, a true horn strobe. That's really that's my main topic for Christmas. So it just passed Halloween, so I just love doing this, like putting the key back and forth. It's just so calming. So let's pull this thing again. This time with my left hand, I mean. This thing won't pull. So because I have a Simplex True horn strobe at my school. When they all go off at my school, it feels like you're in a bomb fight, and then like there's an alarm setting off going eeeeee. So I hate that. I hate the sound of it, but I love fire alarms. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy your day. Bye.